What's up, everyone? So, have you ever imagined to send you or send yourself the letter or email about your life from now, and you can thank you, let's say, or give the credit for yourself, and you can send it for your future self, and this can be your reflection about, oh my god, there are a lot of stuff that I have gone through. So you can try it out for yourself by creating this letter for your future self. And the platform that you're gonna need is this www.futureme.org. So you can simply open it here and you can start to type the letter or the message that you'd like to say for your future self or your future me. For example, like this, you can send anything that you'd like to present for your future self about the thing that you'd like to achieve and also the things that you are now forgiving and the thing that you are really thankful. For example, like this, I'm writing this letter to you today to remind you of the promise of tomorrow. One day soon, you can fully taste the true freedom and also, let's say, complete the financial independence. And let's say your parent gonna be very proud of you and the worry or doubts is actually in the past and makes you stronger and even better. Or even you have also forgive anything that maybe hurt your feeling back then, and you can also share about the career that you'd like to achieve and how it's gonna be like. It's really fun, and also you have the time for your family and also God. And of course, the thing that you are really thankful for until now, you are struggling and also fighting for your future. So you can put anything into this section, and you can also choose the deliver in, for example, in 6 months, 1 year, or 3 years, or 5 years. For example, I'm gonna make it to be the 6 month. And also you can select the audience, whether that should be the private or public, but to be anonymous. And you can also put your emails into the section. And after that, you can go to this send to the future. And after that, you're gonna receive this message or this letter in the certain period. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this futureme.org to motivate yourself. Always be better day by day. And I hope this video and this tool finds you helpful. I'll see you another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.